Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to reset Samsung Keypad mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Keypad mobile phone, okay, you'll have to do is go to menu by pressing the OK button. Here in menu, okay, you'll have to do is go to settings. Okay, select settings, and okay guys, here in settings, you'll have to do is scroll down and find the reset. Okay, select reset, and okay guys, now here in reset, there are two options here: the reset settings and the masters reset. And okay guys, in master reset, okay, you'll have to do, if select this, okay, master reset will reset all settings and erase all personal data. And okay guys, to continue, select yes. And okay guys, that's it for the master reset. Okay, and reset settings, okay, this will erase all settings except those relating to your personal data. And okay guys, to reset, select yes. So okay, okay guys, that's it for the reset Samsung Keypad mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.